The footage shows a school bus driver performing maintenance underneath the bus. The engine is running and the rear wheels are turning to prevent movement. The driver places a stone in front of the wheel. However, the stone is not positioned correctly and does not provide sufficient restraint. Shortly after, the vehicle begins to roll slowly as soon as the driver realizes what is happening. He quickly crawls out from under the bus and manages to reach a safe area at the last moment. When performing maintenance under a vehicle, the engine must be shut off and the vehicle de-energized. Temporary solutions like stones must never be used. Proper wheel chocks and jack stands should be used. Vehicle movement must be fully prevented during maintenance. A worker is performing a small repair and adjustment on top of a large paper roll lying on the floor nearby. A forklift is pushing another massive paper roll of the same type. The carried load significantly blocks the operator's forward view. The operator cannot see the worker in front of him as the forklift moves forward. The distance closes rapidly and the worker suddenly finds himself in danger. If large loads block a forklift operator's view, the forklift should be driven in reverse or a spotter must be used. Workers should not stand in forklift travel paths, separating pedestrian and forklift routes, and enforcing clear rules helps prevent accidents. On June 19, 2025, in Jiangsu Province, China, an elderly woman riding a tricycle lost control near a building. She accidentally collided with an elevator door which gave way, and the tricycle fell into the elevator shaft. Bystanders immediately contacted emergency services and responders quickly reached the scene to rescue the woman. She was transported to a hospital where medical evaluation confirmed multiple fractures when operating small vehicles such as tricycles. In a production area, as a worker walks past a balancing machine, the machine shaft begins to vibrate abnormally. Resonance increases rapidly, and the rotating part loses control and breaks apart. The incident develops very quickly and clearly shows how dangerous it can be to be near such equipment even without direct interaction. Simply being close to the machine presents a serious hazard. Rotating machinery must only be operated within its designed speed and load limits. All rotating components must be properly guarded, and the work area should be restricted by a safe distance during maintenance and adjustment. Personnel must stay clear of the machine line. On January 9, 2026, in Laodi, Hunan, a traffic incident occurred at a street-side noodle restaurant. Surveillance footage captured a red car losing control on the road. The vehicle pushed a stone block along the roadside, crashed through the restaurant's entrance, and came to a stop inside the dining area. At the time, several people were present inside the restaurant. Some were able to move out of the way, while others were knocked to the ground. During the vehicle's entry, investigation revealed that the driver mistakenly pressed the accelerator instead of the brake, leading to the loss of control. This incident highlights the importance of attentiveness when operating a vehicle, especially in areas with pedestrian or commercial activity. Drivers should maintain a clear understanding of the vehicle's controls, remain calm under unexpected circumstances. Footage recorded at a company entrance shows a group of workers gathered at the doorway trying to enter. A security guard attempts to hold a heavy metal revolving gate closed. As pushing and shoving continues, the gate system is forced beyond its normal operating limits. During this struggle, the security guard faces a crushing hazard. People nearby intervene and manage to pull the guard to safety. This incident shows that moving barriers can pose serious risks in stressful situations. Manual force is not a safe control method. Personnel should not stand in the path of moving barriers. In early 2026, at a vehicle maintenance area, an incident occurred involving a man performing repair work underneath the truck during the maintenance activity. The truck's front cab unexpectedly slipped or collapsed from its support and fell onto the worker below. The worker was trapped beneath the front section of the vehicle when the failure occurred. The event highlights the danger of unexpected equipment movement during repair activities. When performing maintenance under raised vehicles, Always use certified support stands and blocking devices rather than relying solely on jacks or temporary supports. Ensure vehicles are placed on stable level ground. On January the 24th, 2026, at a Pegasus fuel station in Kazakhstan, routine operations were underway, involving a fuel tanker positioned within the station service area. Security camera footage shows station workers conducting normal tasks around the vehicle, including one worker positioned on top of the tanker and another moving nearby on the ground. During this activity, a sudden fire and explosion occurred, involving the tanker fuel, transfer, and tanker-related operations. This video captures a harrowing moment at a train station that serves as a serious reminder of public safety. While two men were conversing near the platform edge, a fallen high-voltage cable unexpectedly made contact with one individual, causing a sudden electrical discharge that sent him onto the tracks. This incident highlights the extreme risks of standing too close to live electrical infrastructure. To stay safe, always minimize distractions by removing headphones and transit hubs to remain fully alert to your surroundings. It is vital to stay behind yellow safety lines and maintain a wide berth from overhead power lines or dangling wires in an emergency contact. First responders immediately, and never touch someone affected by a current until the power is cut. Situational awareness is the key to preventing such freak accidents and ensuring a safe journey for everyone involved. In a professional warehouse setting, an operator in high-visibility gear manages pallets with precision. However, a critical safety oversight occurs when the operator exits the vehicle without lowering the forks, leaving them suspended in mid-air. This serves as a stark reminder that even a momentary lapse in judgment can lead to significant hazards in an industrial environment. Leaving forks elevated creates a dangerous obstruction for pedestrians and other staff. The primary lesson is that strict adherence to safety protocols is not just a formality, but a necessity. Operators must always lower forks, flush to the floor before exiting, and maintain operational discipline from start to finish. Following these standards is the most effective way to prevent workplace mishaps and ensure that every team member remains protected, fostering a culture of shared responsibility and care. Maintaining workplace safety is vital in industrial settings. On December 18, 2019, a serious incident at a manufacturing plant highlighted the risks of bypassing protocols. A lathe operator attempted to adjust equipment while it was active on rotating at high speed rather than powering it down. Consequently, his attire became entangled in the machinery, resulting in a severe medical emergency. This accident stemmed from major safety violations, including working on active equipment and wearing loose clothing that failed the 3-tight rule. It also points to gaps in supervision and hazard training to prevent such life-altering consequences. Operators must strictly follow lockout procedures and ensure all workwear is snug. Companies must foster a safety-first culture through rigorous training and inspections to protect every worker from avoidable harm. A busy construction site. A large excavator is working inside a deep excavation pit. Along one edge of the excavation, there is a retaining wall built to hold back the soil. At first glance, the wall appears solid and stable, but while the machine continues operating, the wall suddenly cracks within seconds. The retaining wall collapses with a loud crash, and the mass of soil behind it flows into the excavation area. Soil and debris partially bury the excavator while nearby workers are forced to retreat quickly. Retaining walls and excavation edges can suddenly lose stability under load. Machines and personnel should not operate directly next to these structures. Ground conditions and surrounding areas must be inspected regularly.